In 2018, Appleton International Airport, or ATW, completed a multi-million-dollar renovation and reconstruction of 50,000 square feet of its commercial passenger terminal. The goal was to improve customer experience at the TSA Checkpoint. The enhanced checkpoint features a three-sided, 276-square-foot green wall installed with the LiveWall indoor living wall system. ATW's living wall blankets three sides of a structural wall with a mix of 5 different tropical plants. The living wall is situated at the end of the security lines in the composure area, where passengers can sit, put their shoes back on, and gather their belongings. As a green feature, the wall has a natural biophilic calming effect. It signals to departing passengers that they can leave the stress of security behind them, relax, and look forward to their trip. The sides of the wall facing the gates, paired with the adjacent video wall, welcomes arriving passengers to their destination in Appleton, Wisconsin.